Borrowing money from Webull is a convenient option for investors who need to access cash for various purposes. Webull offers a feature called margin trading that allows users to borrow money from the platform to invest in stocks or other securities. To borrow money from Webull, you need to have a margin account. First, you need to open a Webull account and apply for a margin account. This involves filling out an application and meeting certain requirements, such as having a minimum amount of equity in your account. Once your margin account is approved, you can borrow money from Webull by going to the margin trading section of the platform. You will see the available margin balance in your account, which is the amount of money you can borrow. You can borrow up to a certain percentage of the value of the securities in your account. The interest rate on margin loans varies depending on the amount borrowed and the type of account you have. To borrow money, simply enter the amount you want to borrow and confirm the transaction. The borrowed amount will be added to your account, and you can use it to invest in stocks or other securities. Keep in mind that you will be charged interest on the borrowed amount, and you will need to repay the loan plus interest. It is essential to understand the risks of margin trading and borrowing money from Webull. If the value of the securities in your account falls, you may be required to deposit more cash or sell some of your securities to meet the margin requirements. This is known as a margin call. To avoid margin calls, it is crucial to monitor your account regularly and maintain a sufficient amount of equity. You should also have a clear understanding of the interest rates and fees associated with margin trading. In summary, borrowing money from Webull is a straightforward process that involves opening a margin account, checking your available margin balance, and confirming the transaction. However, it is vital to understand the risks and requirements of margin trading and to use this feature responsibly. By following these steps and being mindful of the potential risks, you can effectively borrow money from Webull and achieve your investment goals.